Good day, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Jay back again with another video, and we're back again with a Golfie. Before we carry on masking tape, as you guys can see, it's time to remove the tail lights. One, it's gonna be in the way, and it's just gonna be easier just to take them out. So they take a size 8 on the nut, and we're gonna take them out. So let's go enjoy. So now we've got the right 8. Let's take them out, shall we? Second one out. So as you guys can see, remove the tail lights and the number plate. I must remove that sticker now as well, just so we can get it. I think I'm gonna mask. I'll see now when I need a mask. Tidy up a bit, remove the sticker, and do the rest of the prep work, guys. Lekker! So as you guys can see, I'll get you guys sorted out here. Without stabbing myself. Get you guys sorted out so you guys can see what I'll be doing. Bear with me, guys. The reason why I'm taking this sticker off is because I've got another sticker I want to put on here. It's going to tie this car off very nicely when it's done. So, at the moment, the creme de la creme. Indicator lights out. Number plate lights out. 2 Phillips heads holding. Oh, they're blown anyway, the bulbs. But anyway, guys, that'll be it for today. Hope you guys don't mind. Golfie over there, getting almost ready for time. Lekker, guys. Jay out. See you guys.